This is why you need AMP in your crypto toolkit. Because not all digital tokens are created equal. Let's break down what makes AMP the go-to for secure value transfers. AMP isn't just another crypto token. It's designed to be digital collateral for the modern world. That means you can use AMP to back up just about any kind of value transfer, from payments, asset swaps, and know instantly that your transaction is locked in and verifiable. Here's what sets AMP apart. Instead of locking up your assets or moving them around, AMP uses a system called collateral partitions. Think of them like flexible digital vaults. These vaults can hold collateral for specific accounts, apps, even single transactions, and everyone can see these balances directly on the Ethereum blockchain. But it gets even cooler. AMP uses smart contracts called collateral managers to automatically lock, release, move collateral between these partitions. So when you use AMP, your assets are always working behind the scenes to keep every transfer safe and instant, without you lifting a finger. Flexa, one of the most innovative payment networks, already uses AMP to secure payments at lightning speed. And with predefined partition strategies, you can even stake AMP tokens for rewards, without ever moving them from your wallet. Bottom line, AMP makes crypto more practical, more secure, a whole lot simpler. If you want to level up your digital transactions, it's definitely a token worth keeping an eye on.